Salads 73. Salads. Rice and vegetable salad. Simple. This is just an example of a rice and vegetable salad. The all-purpose rice and vegetable salad pattern, CP.41, describes how to vary it. 2c short grain brown rice, 3 to 4 tablespoons olive or peanut oil, 4c water, 1 tablespoon dried dill, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon salt or to taste, 6-8 scallions chopped, 1 package frozen peas, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 package frozen corn, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 2 to 4 tablespoons red wine vinegar. Pressure cook the brown rice for 50 minutes, or stovetop cook for 50 minutes to an hour, until all water is absorbed and rice is soft and mildly sweet. Put the frozen vegetables in a salad bowl, then add the hot cooked rice and stir. The hot rice will thaw the vegetables, and the frozen vegetables will cool the rice. Add other ingredients, stir and adjust seasonings. Caribbean salad with chickpeas. Spice pattern, basic. This is my version of a salad that a Caribbean restaurant in Minneapolis serves. The interesting mix of vegetables with chickpeas needs only a very simple seasoning. 1 1/2 c green cabbage, chopped or grated. 1 1/2 c red cabbage, chopped or grated. 2 carrots, grated. 1 cucumber, quartered and sliced. 2-3 Roma or regular tomatoes, chopped, or equivalent cherry tomatoes. 1 1/2 c cooked chickpeas or 1 king chickpeas, drain. 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and black pepper to taste. 1 to 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Combine all ingredients, except the lemon juice, and toss. Add the lemon juice, toss again, adjust seasoning and serve. Salads 74. Tabbouleh salad. Spice pattern, Mediterranean authentic tabbouleh salad, a very popular Middle Eastern dish, has parsley as the main ingredient. This tabbouleh recipe is lighter on the parsley and heavier on the grains, so it can serve as a main course dish. The texture of the dish will vary according to how coarse or fine the bulgur is. 1c bulgur, cracked wheat, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2c water, 2 to 4 tablespoons or more olive oil, 2-4 cloves garlic, pressed or chopped, 1 tablespoon dried mint, 6-8 scallions, chopped, 1 cup finely chopped parsley, 1 green bell pepper, chopped, optional, 1 large cucumber, quartered and sliced, 1/2-1 pint cherry tomatoes, have salt and black pepper to taste, 3 to 4 tablespoons lemon juice. Cook the bulgur with the water and salt for 15 minutes. Allow the bulgur to cool. While the bulgur is cooling, add the other ingredients to a salad bowl in the order listed, stirring after each one is added. The spice ingredients are added first to permeate the oil. Add the bulgur and stir, then add the lemon juice. Adjust seasonings, including amount of olive oil, to taste, and serve. Variation, substituting cilantro for parsley also makes an excellent salad, although strictly speaking it is then no longer tabbouleh. Chickpea rice salad. Spice pattern, savory. This is a very pretty salad, visually, with the bright red bell peppers and tomatoes, the bright yellow chickpeas, the bright green scallions and parsley, and the white rice. The proportion of beans to grain in this salad is about 1 to 1. So I like to have some crackers on the side. I used short grain white rice, but another rice could be used also. 1c chickpeas or soybeans, soaked. 4 stick kombu, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 2 slices ginger, 1 teaspoon oil, 4c water, 1/2 teaspoon salt or to taste, 4 tablespoons peanut or olive oil. Salad 75. 2-3 cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon marjoram, 1/2 teaspoon sage, 1 teaspoon rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon thyme, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper or to taste, 6-8 scallions chopped, 1/2-1 pint cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1/2 c parsley chopped, 2c cooked rice. Boil the drained beans for about 10 minutes, then cook the beans, with the first group of ingredients, preferably in a pressure cooker, until tender. 90 minutes in a pressure cooker, about 3 hours stovetop. When tender, add salt to the cooking water, stir and let sit 5 minutes. Add the other ingredients to a salad bowl in the order listed, stirring after each one is added. The spice ingredients are added first to permeate the oil. Add the chickpeas and rice and stir, then add the vinegar. Adjust seasonings to taste and serve. Potato salad with chickpeas. Spice pattern, the usual Indian 6 large potatoes, 3 tablespoons peanut oil, 1 red bell pepper, chopped 1/2 c parsley, Italian preferred, chopped 1 and 1/2 c cooked chickpeas or 1 king chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 teaspoon grated or finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, freshly ground is nice, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt or to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. Boil the potatoes in lightly salted water in their skins until soft, about 15-20 minutes, drain and allow to cool. Peel if desired, and chop in large chunks. Combine all ingredients in a salad bowl except the vinegar and stir. The potatoes should turn yellow from the turmeric. Adjust salt and pepper and add the balsamic and stir. Refrigerate before serving, preferably for at least an hour for the spices to blend.